Hello everyone, Mrs. KJ here. Today I'm going to explain how to do the Australian wildfires. So, good day, mate. These are the outer suburbs of an Australian city prone to wildfires. The population of 185 live mostly from farming and service activities. You have to protect as many people, buildings, and livelihoods as you can against a possible wildfire. Your challenge is to provide accommodation for 400 people, build one hospital and one school. It is important to protect the water towers located around the area. All right, so again, you can click on the person to see your missions. We have to house 400 people. You can see there's 185 already housed, so there's 215 people who need homes. We have to build a school, build a hospital, and protect the water tanks. So let's start at the bottom of our list. Protect the water tanks. This is one of the water tanks. If you click right over top of it, it says water tower. So you can see it looks like a bucket on top of a ladder. You want to click that and upgrade. So make sure you upgrade that. There is another one on here that you need to find and do. There's a total of 2 of them. All right, another thing is building a hospital. So again, you can click on an area, and if you scroll down, you'll see your hospital and your school. But of course, after you build them, what do you want to do with all your buildings? Upgrade. So do your upgrades as well. Now remember, this one is going to be a fire. Think about what starts on fire. Dry bushes, dry trees. So if I have my hospital surrounded by dry trees and dry bushes, is it safe? No. So if you click on that and click an X, that clears away the dry trees, the dry bushes, the dry brush, and that will help stop the fire. Okay, so that is a hint on this one to help stop the fire. And you can do that around any of your buildings. So maybe I'm just going to clear some more area here, and I'm just going to put my school right next to the hospital if I want to, and maybe build some homes. So I'm going to build the 6-bedroom house because I want to house a lot of people. What is also neat is if you click on a square, see how it has these double arrows? That will repeat whatever you just did. So if I want to really quickly build a whole bunch of the same kind of house, I can. And sometimes it makes you start again. And sometimes it's a different price just because if there was trees or bushes there already. So that's a quick way to add in some houses. Now make sure you are doing your upgrades. So I just have my hospital. I still have to build my school. I still have to build some more houses and protect my second water table. Make sure you are doing some upgrades because doing upgrades will also help you get key facts. Remember, you want to have key facts in order to get some of your points. Oh, so there's a mine there. Oh, look at that. You can even upgrade the mine. Your upgrades are going to help protect it as well as uncover key facts. Make sure your budget remaining is under $10,000. So I do want to show you this. The fire can start anywhere. Sometimes the fire starts in the corner, sometimes it started over here. So the fire can start anywhere. But if we look at the fire, look at how easily it spreads. So had I cleared some more paths, like these houses have clearing around them, they survived. My hospital did, but these houses burnt because I didn't bother to clean up around them. So you got to do some cleanup in this too. In fact, in California, parts of California, you cannot have a tree or a bush within 100 feet of your building. Okay, look around where you live. Look at how many trees are within 100 feet. Probably maybe even a couple dozen trees. So it's very important in areas with wildfires that they're aware of the trees. One thing I didn't show you, if you clicked, you could plant some healthy trees that had a lot of moisture in them. So you can see these trees didn't burn because they were healthy trees with lots of water in them, not dry, dead trees. So that was one other thing that you could do. And then, of course, when you are done, make sure you take a screenshot of your final mission report to get your points. If you have any questions, let us know.